I'm speechless. Is that a real piece of chicken, number one? Right, you lot, you are in for a treat today. Now, I sent my beautiful wife to the shop, specifically Tesco's, to see if they had any nice microwave meals that potentially you lot may enjoy, or something that you could resonate with, or something that you might even buy. I'm gonna keep that secret for time. I mean, this is what she's come back with. Chicken dinner.
Winner.
Yeah. Winner until you actually see what you've won. This is like a 12 minutes in the microwave job. Or something like that. It looks normal on the picture. And this is what it looks like in real life. Like, would you actually feed that to a dog or a cat? Price point, my love?
£1.47 or something.
£1.47.
Yeah, £1.75. It might be more.
All right, cool. So let's dish it up and we'll see. Like, do people actually buy this stuff? It's just. I want to do my best now to make this look visually on point. Let's turn this over, look. Push all the veg to one side. Okay. Guys, what's your initial thoughts on the chicken dinner? Bearing in mind, it's 147 pence.
75.
Say again?
175.
I'm speechless. Is that a real piece of chicken, number one?
The potatoes look much bigger on the picture.
Just a little side-by-side combo. There you go. Do people buy this stuff? And should we be showing this sort of thing on our page? It is a food review page, so let's review Tesco's chicken dinner. Right, let's dive in. I need some water. Drink watch. Peckham Spring. Here we go. I've got really bad hay fever today, guys. So excuse me if I'm sniffing. Earlier on I did about 150 sneezes in a row. Oh dear. Right. What is the ball of stuff in? Oh my god. It's like one of those indestructible. Oh dear. Stuffing. It tastes like it's been to the depth of outer space and had all sort of moisture slowly sucked out of it, droplet by droplet. Dry, doesn't even come close. If you weren't ready for that ball, stuffing ball, it could kill you. Right, potato. Here we go. Absolutely tiny. Oh, it's just horrendous. For £1.47.
£1.75.
You're chucking all sorts of different numbers at me now. That potato. Here we go. Let's do a dissection. Chicken looks right, to be fair.
It does, doesn't it?
Here we go, chicken. It's got a really weird, funky, lubricant style flavour to it. Now, it kind of looks, let's try some veg. Oh my God.
You don't like peas?
They're all right. I'm a bit of chicken. This Tesco's chicken dinner may well represent value. However, this is dreadful. Maybe it's not designed to be good. I don't know. Cooked chicken breast in gravy with roast potatoes, peas, carrots, and sage and onion stuffing ball. Time for a score. Let's wrap this up. I give this a score of 0.5 out of 10. I don't think they've executed this well at all. Microwave meals can and should be decent. I mean, on the channel this week, I've been eating my macro meals for lunch. Microwave meals can be and should be delicious, well priced, good value, good nutrition. This, no doubt, is full of stuff that it shouldn't be full with. Tastes horrendous. Yeah, it's just terrible. Tesco's must do better. And that, ladies and gents, is a review.